Hello everyone, so today I am going to explore Apsley House, which is just behind me. I passed this building so many times over the years and I cannot wait to see what's inside, so let's go! Let's enter Apsley House, a grand old place that's earned the nickname #1 London. You wonder why? Because it was literally the first house you'd see as you entered the city from the west. It was built back in the 1770s by the famous architect Robert Adam, and there are only 3 houses in London in total that were built and fully furnished by him. But things really got interesting when it was bought in 1817 by Arthur Wesley, better known as the Duke of Wellington, the man who beat Napoleon at the Battle of Waterloo. The rooms are full of beautiful artwork, glittering silver and grand furniture that once impressed kings and diplomats. In fact, every year the Duke hosted a grand dinner here to mark his victory at Waterloo. The tradition carried on for generations, a mix of ceremony, pride and politics, all under one very fancy roof. But it's not just about luxury. There are plenty of small touches that tell stories of daily life in the 1800s. One great example is the porter's chair. Tucked near the entrance, back then the porter, kind of like a doorman, would sit here for hours watching who came and went. The chair is high-backed and enclosed to keep out drafts from the front door, and also it even was heated with hot coals, so it's practical and a little quirky. Apsley House is part museum, part private home, and the Duke of Wellington's descendants still live there. It's one of the few historic houses in London that's not just preserved but still lived in. Alright, so I'm done exploring Apsley House. I really enjoyed it. It's so beautiful. I was just like wowing all the time. It's such a beautiful house. I love the staircase, I love the ceilings, all the chandeliers, and I like finding small everyday details like porter's chair in the entrance, which is so interesting to see. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed a little explorations of Apsley House. If you ever want to visit it when you're in London, you can't miss it because it's literally on Hyde Park corner. I am finishing this here, and if you liked it, please give a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!